In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the header transparent in Wix Studio. Making your header transparent can enhance the visual appeal of your website, giving it a sleek and modern look that seamlessly integrates your content with the background. So, let's dive right in and get started on this transformation. First, in your Wix editor, you'll want to locate and select your header. Simply click on the header section to highlight it. This is your workspace to modify the header design and its various properties. By selecting the header, you're telling Wix that this is the part of your site you want to edit. Once you've selected your header, the next step is to access the header design settings. Look for the option that says Change Header Design and click on it. This will open up a range of options where you can alter the visual properties of your header. Now that you're in the design settings, it's time to focus on the fill color and opacity. This setting allows you to control the appearance of your header's background. Go ahead and click on Fill Color and Opacity. Here, you can play around with the colors and transparency levels to find the perfect blend for your site. But for today, we'll be setting the opacity to 0%. This specific adjustment is crucial because it will render your header background fully transparent, allowing whatever is beneath the header to be visible and thus achieving the transparent effect we're aiming for. While you're here, there's an optional step that could add a nice touch to your site. Still within the header settings, you can customize how the header behaves when users scroll through your website. You have a few choices here. If you select Scrolls with Site, the header will conveniently move off-screen as users continue to scroll down, giving an uninterrupted view of your content. Alternatively, you can opt to freeze the header, which keeps it visible at the top as users scroll, ensuring that navigation elements remain accessible at all times. Lastly, there's the Disappear option, where the header will gradually fade out as users scroll down, providing a subtle exit for the header. Choose the option that best aligns with your design preferences and the user experience you're aiming to deliver. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully created a transparent header in Wix Studio, adding that extra touch of sophistication to your website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on optimizing your Wix site. Happy designing!